Hi guys, when you buy the Monoblock, you will get it like this with the box, wooden box. This is Akram from Freezing Valley. We're going to unbox this box and you will see how it looks like. Yes, so this is 1 HP Monoblock, and let's start it to open it. So when you open the Monoblock, this is 1 HP. When you open the case, you will find it like this. This is the evaporator. And then after that, you just lock it like this, guys. And that is it. Don't forget the water. So guys, just show you what is inside this Monoblock. This is 1 HP. You can see the control here. This is the compressor here, and we can see here this is filter, and this is the valve, the sunlight valve. Condenser is here. This is the condenser, and we have the evaporator is inside the room. So here we go. This is the chiller now is working. Just make the air flow. There is a space between them. There we go. And if you inside it, you inside it at least close to the window. So now it's going down.
The current temperature is 14.5 degrees. To set it, just press the set button. You see the minimum set temperature is minus 18 degrees, right? You can adjust it to your required minimum temperature. For example, if you want minus 15 degrees, then hold this and adjust upwards using the up arrow. After adjusting, press the set button again. Then the set minimum temperature is negative 15 degrees. You see, press the set button again, right? The setting is negative 15 degrees, which is the minimum temperature. There's a 6-degree difference, and that 6-degree difference has been adjusted. It goes up to negative 9 degrees. And then the machine starts at negative 15 degrees, and then the machine stops just like that.